on the Nifty right now. But let's talk about stock-specific news then. ABB is on our radar. The stock is under pressure as there are two brokerage notes which have issued bearish calls on the stock. This is our segment Midcap Spotlight. Vamakshi will focus on the stock and tell us some other news pieces that have come by as well. Vamakshi.
Well, absolutely. ABB India under pressure today. There are two downgrades that have come through, one from Nomura, the other one from ICICI Securities. Let me first start off with the downgrade that has come from ICICI Securities. They are saying that the growth print for the order inflow for calendar year 24 is likely to be subpar, and the reason they say this is because the share of long lead orders have risen sharply to almost 15% in calendar year 23 as compared to 7% in calendar year 22. Order inflow growth print over the next 1 to 2 quarters also is shrouded by the general elections-led uncertainty. Operating margins, they believe, could have peaked out, and that is because most of the gains that pertain to raw material cost have actually been realized, and in fact weakness in the revenue growth could reduce the levers for any further margin surprises. The stock, given the run-up that it has seen so far, is now trading at 81 times calendar year 25 EPS of almost 82 rupees per share as compared to a historical average, that is a 2-year forward PV of almost 60 times. In fact, given that, they've gone ahead and downgraded the stock to sell from at and target price of 5,330 rupees per share. Nomura, on the other hand, has said that they've gone ahead and increased the earnings estimates for CY25 by almost 5%. They are deriving comfort from the margin estimate of almost 15%, and this is largely led by strong pricing power as well as premium product offerings. But nevertheless, given the stock's rally, they've gone ahead and downgraded the stock from buy to neutral. But on the other hand, the stock has recovered from the day's lowest point, and that is because ABB Global reported its numbers for the first calendar year. 5% order inflows growth is what they reported for the India region, but it is important to know that this is the number for the global company and not for the Indian company.
Thank you so much, Vamakshi, for breaking down the details, especially of the global order inflow commentary that has come through from the parent. But Vamakshi, stay on.